Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to get stock data in Excel. This task is quite simple, very elegant and of course very useful. First, it is about which Excel version you are using. As far as I know, we need to use Office 365 version. Second, we need internet while we are working in Excel. Before we start, we need to set up a proper table, as you can see here. In our Excel demonstration series, there is a short clip on how to create and format a table in Excel. Please check that video out. In this table, I have code column, and this column contains rows. Each row refers to a code of a particular stock that we need to get information about it. Next to code column, I've generated a stock column. It's empty for the time being. What I do next, I will copy all information in the code column into the stock column. So just click copy and I will copy all of that information into here. So next, we need to locate where stocks function in Excel is. Assuming that I'm on the home bar here, you need to go to the data section and then you can see stock and geography buttons on the top here. Alright. So to convert or to extract stock data from the website, for these stocks, I just highlight the entire columns except the first row, and then I click on stock. So I'm sure if you're using the proper Excel version and your internet is on, once you click stock, then you will see the values in the column stock have changed. Alright, so now in each row you see a card together with the name, and towards the end you also have the code. You can get extra information by clicking here, show card. So these are the information Excel get it from the online website, particularly from the source here, and bring it to you in this Excel. Alright, so it is quite simple. Now you have all live updates on stocks in your investment portfolio. Thank you for watching and see you next time.